Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to create some absolutely irresistible deviled eggs with a savory bacon twist. First, you'll want to hard-boil about 6 to 8 large eggs. While those are cooking, crisp up 4 to 6 slices of your favorite bacon. Having everything ready beforehand makes the rest of the steps super easy and fun. Let's get started on this classic appetizer with a fantastic upgrade. Once your hard-boiled eggs are cool, carefully slice them in half lengthwise. Gently scoop out all the vibrant yellow yolks and place them into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Now, for the creamy magic, mash those yolks until they are smooth, then mix in about 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. Add 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard, along with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper for perfect seasoning. Now it's time for the fun part, assembling our deviled eggs. You can either spoon the creamy yolk mixture back into the egg white halves, or for a fancier look, use a piping bag. Next, take your perfectly crispy bacon and crumble it into small, savory pieces. Generously sprinkle these delicious bacon bits over the top of each filled egg white. This adds a wonderful texture and incredible flavor to every bite. To ensure the best flavor and texture, chill your deviled eggs for at least 30 minutes before serving. For a final touch, consider dusting them with a tiny bit of paprika for a lovely splash of color. You could also add some finely chopped fresh chives or parsley for a bright, herbaceous note. These deviled eggs with bacon are perfect for any party, picnic, or simply as a delicious snack. Enjoy every savory bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.